Hollywood, the epicenter of glitz, glamour, and storytelling. For over a century, we've seen some of the most iconic films and legendary performances come out of this magical place. But what if we told you that in 2024, the biggest star in Hollywood isn't a person, but artificial intelligence? From writing scripts to digitally recreating actors, AI is changing the entertainment industry in ways we never imagined. But the big question on everyone's mind is, will actors soon be replaced by AI? In today's video, we'll uncover how AI is impacting Hollywood and what it means for the future of filmmaking. AI is being used across nearly every stage of film production, and it's transforming how movies are made, distributed, and consumed. Let's start with scriptwriting. AI-powered tools like GPT-4, yes, much like me, and pseudo-write are being used to assist screenwriters in developing plots, character dialogue, and even entire scripts. This doesn't mean that AI is writing the next Oscar-winning screenplay all on its own, at least not yet. But it is being used to generate story ideas, suggest plot twists, or provide dialogue that can be refined and polished by human writers. In 2024, many studios are relying on AI to help streamline the creative process, reducing the time and cost involved in script development. Some filmmakers are using AI to analyze market trends and predict what kind of content will resonate best with audiences. By analyzing data from box office numbers, streaming habits, and social media buzz, AI can provide insights into which genres, themes, and storylines are likely to perform well. This means that the traditional gut feeling of a director or producer is now being supplemented by data-driven decision-making. While this might take some of the artistic spontaneity out of filmmaking, it also increases the chances of a movie being commercially successful. But what about the actors themselves? This is where things start to get interesting and a little controversial. In 2024, AI is being used to create digital doubles of actors, allowing them to perform scenes that they never physically shot. Think about how you've seen actors appear as younger versions of themselves, or even how deceased actors have been brought back to life on screen. AI-driven technology can create hyper-realistic versions of people, capturing their facial expressions, body movements, and even their voices. And the tech is getting better and more lifelike with every passing year. Take, for example, the technology known as deepfakes. While deepfakes have been controversial due to their potential misuse, Hollywood is harnessing this technology for creative purposes. Imagine an actor's face being seamlessly transplanted onto a stunt double for action scenes, or having an A-list star appear in multiple movies simultaneously without ever setting foot on a set. In 2024, studios are using AI to manipulate footage in post-production, making reshoots easier and enabling actors to be present in multiple places at once. This has sparked a debate on whether this technology enhances storytelling or diminishes the craft of acting. One key example of AI's influence is the rise of virtual actors. These are entirely CGI characters who look, sound, and move like real humans, but are actually digital creations. With advanced AI and motion capture technology, virtual actors can be programmed to deliver lines, perform stunts, and even interact with other actors seamlessly. Unlike human actors, they don't get tired, don't age, and don't negotiate contracts. In 2024, some productions have even opted to use virtual actors for entire films, especially in animated or sci-fi genres. And while the idea of virtual actors replacing humans may seem far-fetched, it's already happening on a small scale. The use of AI in voice acting is another major shift. Thanks to voice synthesis technology, it's now possible to clone an actor's voice and have AI generate new lines of dialogue that sound almost identical to the original. For example, imagine a world where a famous voice actor's distinctive tone is used in multiple projects at the same time, all with AI-generated dialogue. This technology is not just limited to voices either. It can also capture accents, emotions, and speaking styles. In 2024, this means that studios can tweak or add dialogue without ever needing the actor to step back into the recording booth, saving time and production costs. AI is also making waves in special effects and visual editing. One of the most time-consuming aspects of filmmaking is rendering complex visual effects. AI-driven tools are now being used to automate this process, enabling faster, more realistic CGI at a fraction of the cost. AI can also be used for things like color correction, scene editing, and even improving picture quality in post-production. With the ability to enhance scenes automatically, directors are finding they have more creative freedom to experiment, knowing that AI can make adjustments easily if something doesn't quite work on screen. But all of these advancements bring up important ethical and creative questions. If an AI-generated actor delivers a stunning performance, who gets the credit? What happens to the craft of acting if virtual doubles and synthesized voices become the norm? And what about the potential loss of jobs for real actors and voice performers? In 2024, the Screen Actors Guild and other unions are already negotiating the rights and protections for actors in this new AI-driven landscape, ensuring that their likeness and voices aren't used without their permission or proper compensation. There's also a growing debate around creativity versus convenience. Some filmmakers argue that AI might limit creativity by making it too easy to follow formulas and trends. If studios rely heavily on AI to predict what movies will be successful, does that mean we'll see fewer original, risky, and unconventional films? While AI offers tremendous possibilities for enhancing film production, the concern is that movies might become more homogenized, driven more by data than artistic expression. Despite these challenges, some of Hollywood's biggest names are embracing AI as a tool for creativity rather than a replacement for human talent. Directors like James Cameron and Jon Favreau have experimented with AI in their films, using it to create stunning visual effects, enhance storytelling, and develop characters that would be impossible to realize without this technology. The goal, they say, is to use AI to augment human creativity rather than replace it, blending technology and artistry to create something entirely new and captivating. In fact, AI is even opening up new storytelling opportunities that were once unimaginable. Imagine interactive films where the storyline adapts to audience feedback in real time, or virtual reality experiences where viewers can explore an entire world that reacts to their movements and decisions. This kind of dynamic storytelling, powered by AI, allows for immersive narratives where the viewer is not just a passive observer, but an active participant. In 2024, the line between film, gaming, and virtual experience is becoming blurrier, and AI is at the heart of this transformation. So, will actors be replaced by AI in 2024? The answer isn't as simple as yes or no. While AI is undoubtedly changing Hollywood and providing new ways to create content, human actors still bring something that technology cannot fully replicate: authenticity, emotional depth, and the human connection. People don't just watch films for flawless effects or perfect voices. They watch for the raw performances, the nuanced expressions, and the unique personalities that only human actors can deliver. AI can enhance, replicate, and even create, but it can't yet capture the human soul in the way that great actors can. In conclusion, AI is transforming Hollywood in fascinating and sometimes controversial ways, making film production more efficient, creative, and innovative. While there are concerns about how it will affect actors, writers, and other creatives, it also opens up exciting possibilities for storytelling and visual art. The future of entertainment is sure to be a mix of human and AI collaboration, and it will be interesting to see where this partnership takes us. Thank you for watching. What do you think about AI in Hollywood? Will it help filmmakers create better content, or is it a threat to the art of cinema? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on technology, entertainment, and the future of creativity. See you in the next video.